Finally guys and gals, madilim kasi minsan eh. We're done on our shopping spree for our celebration for this midnight New Year's celebration. We are now heading to San Roque. So how was the shopping spree? Tiring and tiring but and at the same time tiring but okay. And how about you? How was the shopping? Tiring. So advance happy New Year to each and one of you. You know what guys and girls, before I used to walk here, from here, actually in there, and going right here, turning right here, so we'll give you I'm gonna give you some, what do you call the thing, recall, something to linger. So we are now approaching San Roque. From here is Purok 8, and until there in our house, Purok 2, Purok 1 and Purok 0. So I'm gonna give you a ride. Here are my kababayans, my townmates. We're getting near, guys and girls. This is what we call casa. We're getting near. Approaching. So here we are. Bye for now. Para.